How to make an origami duck. Grab a piece of square paper or a regular piece and make it into a square by folding one of the bottom corners to the top edge. Make sure the sides are in line with one another before you crease it down. Now cut or tear the end piece off. If tearing, fold the end piece over and crease it down. Open it up and reverse the fold. This will give you a neater tear. Fold the paper in half, but only crease down one side. Position your paper like this and fold the bottom point up to the crease. Now fold the opposite side over to meet the line you've just folded. Open it up and fold it back to the first line, then fold it over again. Repeat with the other side. Fold the bottom point up to the top. Unfold and fold the bottom point down to the center point. Turn the paper around, open up one of the sides and fold it back down like so. Repeat with the other side. Turn the whole thing over and fold the top edge back so that the top point is just creeping over. Now fold the paper in half. To create the neck, pull it up like this. Do the same with the head. To form the beak, fold it back like this, and then fold it back on itself around half a centimetre from the end. Now unfold and reverse the fold so that the beak comes from inside the head. For the tail, fold it down like this and then back on itself like so. Reverse the fold in the same way you did the beak. Done. Hello, this is my leg.
Hi viewers, have you seen my video on how to make an origami swan?
Excuse me, this isn't a video to advertise yours.
I was just saying it's a good video, you should watch it.
Anyway, as I was saying, Oh great, I've run out of time now. Thank you, Swan. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon for notifications for upcoming videos.